Hello everyone. I know it's a bit early, but I'm already feeling like summer is slipping away from us. The autumn chill is starting to set in and it's making me miss the warmth and the freedom of these past few months. I am so grateful for all the amazing experiences we had so far, and I'm trying to cherish every last moment of this special season. Soon, we'll be able to say that we have enjoyed all 4 seasons, and each one brought different kinds of joy. So far, the summer has been most rewarding because I could collect things from my pantry. We also have been fishing, and we could afford to live a carefree life because we didn't have to worry about being cold anymore. This is Mulein, and we're going to have tea in the winter with it. I used to buy this flour previously for making our tea. Now I don't have to anymore. I want to say that this is making flowers only every other year. Finally, I can enjoy these fruits. I was keeping my eyes on them for quite a bit. I had them last year. They're not really flavorful, yet they can make good jam. Today I collected wild cherries or chalk cherries, I think that's their names. And we don't have them on our property, but I'm gonna try to make jam with them. The problem is that they have a big pit inside. Their seed is quite big, and I hope I can do something with them. They're ripe and they're sweet right now. It's the first time when I'm making this jam, and I'm making it simple because I'm trying to see what's gonna come up. I didn't remove the stems because they're too tiny and it was taking too much. But I washed them and then I boiled them till they got soft. It's been already 5-6 minutes, and then I'm gonna stop right here because I want to strain them. The seeds are very big and the fruits are not giving up too much pulp, yet it is a thick puree and I like it so far. They're full of seeds. And then this is what I have now. It's a very thick puree. Now I'm gonna add some lemon juice and sugar. Of course, I have no recipe. I'm just gonna put things together and I'm gonna taste it when I cook it and see if I want more sugar or not. I think for now this is enough. Again, no pectin and nothing else, just the fruits, the sugar, and the lemon juice. Now I'm back on the stove, bringing it to a boil and keep stirring till it starts changing the colors. In between, I added more sugar because I want it to my taste. And you can tell it's having a different color right now. And it's getting even darker and shinier. I know from my mother-in-law that when a jam is getting translucent like this, it's ready. I think it's ready to be tried. I'm gonna wait a little bit to see how thick it is. The jam is still hot, yet it's not moving away. See, it's not dripping. It's just a little bit. It's still hot anyway. When it's gonna be cool off, it's gonna be even thicker. And it has a nice coat on my spoon. Look how shiny and beautiful it is. I think it's ready. I'm gonna have a little jar only, and the rest is gonna be to try with crabs. Maybe if we get lucky we can find more and do a little bit more, but it takes too much to take the seeds out, and the results are not as good as the Oregon grapes. As I said, it's nice and thick. None of my canning supplies are available because they're all in a storage place. Super hot. And I don't want to spend more money buying things I already have. Then I'll do what I can with what I have, and I'm not complaining here. That nice ribbon of jam, it's a good sign.
Okay, so today we pick up some chopped cherries, and my wife, she did a jam, so we're gonna try. Oh, actually it's cold already.
Yeah, I put it in the refrigerator.
Let's see, it's poison or no?
Experiment on you.
We're gonna let you know, guys, tomorrow if we wake up or not. The taste is a little bit, on the first thing it's like a plum jam, but after it's aftertaste, I don't know how to compare it.
Like rosehip jam.
I don't know, but first it's like plum jam. I don't know, it's weird.
Which one you like the best? The first, the Oregon grapes, or
This one?
this one?
Yeah, this is better.
It's harder to make this one because it doesn't give out too much. Yeah?
Way
like
better, yeah?
Okay, that was the first one. This is the second one. Okay, I was afraid you don't like it.
It's good actually. Let's try again.
The Oregon grapes.
Yes.
Experiment.
I like both of them. Same.
Thank you, honey.
They're good.
This is Kootenai Falls in Montana. It's a place full of good, positive energy. And here we found some other interesting things. This is Uva Ursi, and it's in our property. Finally, I have a chance to make a video. This is few days after I finished the jam. From that big box of chopped cherries, I only made this much. But my husband likes it better than the Oregon grapes, and it has a very nice color. To me, it's more like a sour cherry, but these are wild cherries. And I always like my jam to not flow because I usually use them for cakes and crepes. You don't want a runny jam anyway. In between, we had some friends visiting us, and it was a good chance for us to go see other places. And we find some rose hips, and I couldn't stop myself. I have to collect a little bit just to try and make my first rose hip jam. And it's a very flavorful jam and has a smell like when you make a peach cobbler, maybe. That's the smell, and the flavor is super nice. Again, it's not going anywhere. It's not as thick as the wild cherries, but it's still a very nice body for this jam and has a very good flavor. Also, it's full of vitamin C. The texture, it's thick, but yet sleek. It's very good. I think this is my favorite so far. It doesn't require too much sugar, just that I had to boil it with water, a little bit of water. For, let's say I had a whole jar of rose hips, maybe I use a third of a glass of water and then boil them, and then same thing, I strain them out because they are full of seeds. I kept the seeds because I'm hoping I'm going to have wild roses for rose hips. It's very good overall. I like it, and I hope I can do more in the years to come. As a friendly reminder, we are not just sharing our home building journey with you. We are living it. We are a real family building our own home from the ground up, and we are honored to have you along the ride. There is no one to record or make the videos, just me, and sometimes there is no time. We had a stormy night and we've been without power for few hours, at least 4, but all is beautiful. I can see the mist rising from the ground. That's my husband working. And there's a deer, and there are a bunch of turkeys in the back. Please consider to check out our previous videos. They are all about building our own home. But this time I did not post anything about the house because I wanted to do my own thing. Thank you for watching. If you like to help us, please share and subscribe. It is free and is more to come anyway.